Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this 160-piece scratch-off art pieces. These are so cute and would be awesome for Easter, just to be able to put either in an Easter egg or as a gift for Easter. But you just scratch them off. It's a nice black color, and they give you 5 little wooden stylus to scratch off and make really neat art. And when you're holding them all up, you actually can see the little rainbow colors in there, so that's really fun. I'm going to bring you in here close so you can take a look at these cool little papers. So here is a piece of this paper up close. It's just a 3.5 by 3.5 inch square, kind of like a Post-it note, white on the back side. And then your stylus are just these little wooden sticks. And to use it, so simple. It makes coloring and drawing so fun. All you've got to do is just literally color. So you want to make a little Easter bunny, you can just make your little bunny. And he's all super colorful. Color him in. I mean, kids can have hours and hours of fun playing with these. It would be really neat to see what all kids can come up with, have fun with. Nice little gift to be able to give as a present.